All right, my managers out there, this video is for you. We're talking about 2 tips that you need to listen up on and interact with your employees a little bit better. Here they are. These 2 tips are very simple, and as a manager, one of my missions is to enrich the lives of the people that I help and manage. One of the ways you can do that is by simply asking your employees what they want. Okay, not every employee necessarily wants just more money. If you think that, which is not a bad thing, hey, if I give this employee more money, then they will do better. Sometimes that's the case, but not always. Some employees might simply want a title change or some form of authority, or they want their ideas to be cherished. If you have an idea person, hello, reach out to that individual and just simply ask them, hey, what are some ideas that you have? But make sure you do your best to implement at least one of their ideas and give them some feedback on the other. Tip number 2, really make sure that you remember your employees' birthdays. That is important, more than you might think. Put on your calendar, and you don't have to have a party. That's one thing that I want to make sure you understand. You don't have to have a big party. You don't have to spend tons of money. They know that it's their birthday. They want you to know it's their birthday. But don't just walk up and say, hey, happy birthday, Stella, you rock. Actually make eye contact with them and talk to them. 2-3 minutes. What plans do you have on your birthday? How old are you? What are you gonna do this year that you're gonna do different next year? Or some kind of really cool, big questions like that. Really just take 2 or 3 minutes of your time, recognize them as a human being, because they are, and respect them, understand that they're special, they have a special day because birthdays are very special, and just celebrate with them in whatever form or fashion your company sees as best. Anyway, that's 2 tips from me. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. You absolutely rock, and until next time, love, live, learn. Bye.